Okay, what do you do for a living? Oh, I'm a trainer. Wrong. That's not how you answer. That's not how you become an authority. The moment you tell me what do you do, I can tell you how much do you know about business. The moment you tell me that I'm a sales trainer, the moment you tell me I'm the health expert, the moment you tell me I'm a soft skill trainer, I can tell you you don't know this, and that's the reason why you're finding it difficult to earn clients, attract clients, and close deals. Number one, your positioning is not right. Your pitch is not right. When I say pitch, it's not the pitch, elevator with pitch which you are talking about. Pitch is everywhere. In your messaging, in your videos, in your conversation, the physical, elevator, everywhere. If somebody asks me, what do you do there? Here's what I say. I help people to find their passion and build a business around it. And I help them to quit their 9-to-5 job and live 6 Sundays a week life. That's what I do for a living. And I enjoy it. My mission is to transform 1 billion lives. I'm also the best-selling author of the book 80% Mindset, 20% Skills, Direction Joe Stock Speaker. The pitch has to be so strong, it has to be something that you love doing, your mission, your passion. That's what you do. The moment somebody tells me like this, I know this guy is sorted, he is successful, he knows what he's doing. Okay, but if I give I'm a trainer, I'm a mentor. Okay, if somebody is not curious to know more, that means your pitch is not effective. Okay, you got to find your own pitch. First, you have to find a micro niche. Then you have to articulate that pitch in a certain way. You have to practice a certain way. People should grasp, this. Oh, how do you do that? Like if I say this, would you sit quiet? Okay. Yeah, you help people to quit their job and build the business or passion. You help them to build 6 Sundays a week. Okay, that's fine. No, you'd be like, oh, how do you do that? Look, if the person is not right, I will not even do the pitch and I will not even introduce this way. Okay, by the way, I don't go walk on the street and tell people, hey, I'm this, I'm this. No. It's only even in the setup when people reach out, I know this is the right person. I share this. Okay, and then the moment the person is right, the bulb goes in. How do you do that? That's it.